Let's come to oral communication now. Ask the students to role play the dialogue. It's at page 126. SLO is number 2. Rahim. Hello, grandmother. How are you? Grandmother. Hello, my dear. Well, I'm not really good. I'm having a lot of pain in my knee. Rahim. Oh, what happened to your knee? Grandmother. That joint pain again. Actually, I climbed a few stairs and they were too high for me to step on. Rahim. Grandma, why don't you take your sticks with you? Grandmother. I forgot them at home. Rahim. You must keep your sticks with you all the time. Grandmother. Yes, sure, I will. Rahim. Let me take you to the doctor right now. Grandmother. You're such an adorable child. God bless you.